And this is Mikey. We're reading 101 Ways to Bug Your Teacher. This kid, Mikey, has a question.
My question is, why won't he tell Haley that if he does something bad to Fierce that he won't let him go to convention? Why won't he tell Haley that?
Because he doesn't want to do something bad to Fierce.
Yeah, but why can't he tell that to Haley?
It's yours. How about you say something?
Well, I think.
Go on.
I think that maybe he plans to explain, but he's gonna explain it later. He's gonna explain it at like a different time instead of right now, because maybe he doesn't have enough time to explain to her why he can't do it since they're about to come back. Maybe that's why. What do you have?
Let's see. What's the question?
Okay, forget. I don't have anything else to say. So.
Wait. No, I'm not done. I'm not done yet. Well, probably. Oh, sorry. Probably because he's kind of maybe embarrassed to tell her, his friend, whatever her name is.
Okay.
And
Okay.
bye-bye. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Bye.